Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make fish fry my style. It's a deep fry recipe and pretty easy. So do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. So let's get into the recipe. All the ingredients will be mentioned in the description below. Take a bowl, add some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander, cumin powder, garam masala powder, sesame paste, ginger garlic paste, curd and lemon juice. Mix everything properly and keep the marination ready just like this, and you can add or reduce the quantities if you need. So these are the fish fillets that I have taken. So marinate both sides and keep it marinated, covered with for 1 hour. This is my backyard grill which has a stove, so I'm going to fry there. So once the oil is heated, I added the fish pieces and roasted them on both sides until golden brown. This is the one side, and I'm going to turn it over, and then when it is completely fried like this, I'm going to take it on a paper plate, on a tissue, so that excess oil is absorbed. Then for the serving, I'll be using only the lemon pieces, but if you like, you can also use onion slices. So do try it at home, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I'm gonna show you more and more yummy recipes. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.